Hi, I'm Miranda Novak from IT Services, and this is the third video in the 3-video series on creating accessible PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. In this step, we're going to find the tool Accessibility Check, and we're going to let it run. This is going to show us what passed inspection and what does not using the embedded accessibility checker. Anything that is in bold indicates that there are potential issues. You can see as I toggle each of these options on and off that most everything passed the accessibility checker, except for 3 things in my document section. The logical reading order needs to be manually checked, but we did that in video 2, so we can give that a pass. Color contrast is also something that needs to be manually checked. In my case, I have no color to speak of other than a logo, which I can't change, so I'm going to pass on that. If I wanted more information on this, I could choose Explain, which would take me to further documentation, or I could choose Options to see what choices the system gives me to correct my color contrast issue. The last potential problem is the fact that there is no title. In the case of this document, that is actually correct. I do not have a title. I could right-click and choose Fix, and it would give me an opportunity to add a title. But in this case, that is actually correct. I do not have a title. So I'm not going to do anything with that. I can go to Menu and Save. In my case, I haven't made any changes that actually affected the file itself, so my Save button is grayed out. But if I had made any changes, I would be able to save. And now I would have an accessible PDF as approved by the built-in accessibility checker in Adobe Acrobat. Thank you for watching.